If you want to connect Zoho Mail to your domain and create a professional email setup, this guide will help you understand the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Connecting your domain allows you to send and receive emails using your business name, which makes your communication look more professional. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can do it without any confusion. First, go to the Zoho Mail website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and choose a suitable plan. Once you're logged in, select the option to add a domain. Enter your domain name carefully and proceed to the next step. Now you need to verify that you own the domain. Zoho will provide you with a TXT record or similar verification method. Go to your domain provider's control panel, open the DNS settings, and add the TXT record exactly as given. Save the changes and return to Zoho Mail to click on Verify. After your domain is verified, the next important step is to configure MX records. These records tell the internet that Zoho Mail will handle your email services. In your domain's DNS settings, remove any existing MX records and add the new ones provided by Zoho. Make sure the priority values are entered correctly. Next, you can create your email address. Choose a username like info, support, or your name, and set a password. This will be your official email ID with your domain. You can also add SPF and DKIM records to improve email security and prevent your emails from going to spam. These settings are optional but highly recommended. Finally, wait for DNS changes to propagate, which may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once done, test your email by sending and receiving messages. In short, add your domain, verify it, update MX records, create your email, and test it to successfully connect Zoho Mail to your domain. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.